Okay, now we're looking at number 19 on the study guide. We're almost finished with the whole study guide, 20 problems. Number 19, a concrete block has a cylindrical hole 4 feet in diameter, drilled through it to allow a pipe to pass through. What is the volume of the block after the cylinder has been removed? Volume is capacity. Use 3.14 as an approximation for pi and round your answer to the nearest tenth. So if we're going to find what, you've got the volume of a cylindrical block, which is in the shape of a cube, so that volume is just 6 times 6 times 6, length times width times height. And then we're removing this cylindrical part. So we can just get the volume of the cube and then subtract from it the volume of the cylindrical part that's being removed, and that's going to give us the volume of the remaining cylinder block. So starting with the volume of the cube, that's simple enough. The volume of the cube I'll put C for cube, is going to be just 6 cubed, 6 to the third, which is what, 216? All right, and then we're just going to use our formula for the volume of a right cylinder, pi r squared times the height. That's just the area of the base times the height. So volume is going to be, I'm just going to go ahead and put approximate because we're using 3.14 for the value of pi. So we got approximately 3.14 times the radius squared. If the diameter is 4, then the radius is 2, times the height of the cylinder, which is going to be perpendicular to the circular base. So that's this portion here, which is 6 feet. So we've got 3.14 times 4 times 6, and that's 75.36. So we're going to subtract, okay, so I'm going to put a CYL for cylinder, volume of the cylinder. So we're going to subtract the volume of the cube, 216, subtract from it the volume of the cylinder part removed, and we have what is that, 216 minus 75.36, we have 140.64. And in the answer choice, it says round to the nearest tenth, so it would be 140.6, which is answer choice C. So that's number 19. Let's go on to number 20, and we'll be finished. Number 20, if all the angles in the faces of the polyhedron below are right angles, then what is its surface area? So it's telling us the polyhedron has right angles, so that means we have a rectangular prism. And we can use the formula for the surface area of a rectangular prism to find the surface area. Remember the simple concept of surface area. It's just the sum of the areas of all the faces of the polyhedron. The prism, whatever type of polyhedron you're talking about. So let's just call 23 the length and 15 the width. And that leaves us the height. We'll call 13. So we're just going to plug those values into our equation. So we have, I'll do it down here, surface area is equal to 2 times the length, which is 23, times the width, which is 15, plus 2 times the height, which is 13, times the width, which is 15, plus 2 times the length, which is 23, times the height, which is 13. Okay, so when we follow the order of operations, and we get 1,000 678. And that was square inches. Okay. And we're finished.